I'm going to let you in on a little secret that makes you a better artist, and that secret is to go outside of the studio. There's a common image of an artist holed up in their studio for hours on end, and in many ways that is a significant part of our lives. Additionally, in today's age of social media and pleasing the algorithm, artists feel more pressure than ever to keep up with the grind. But realistically, we need breaks, and there's no better way to find fresh, new inspiration than by stepping away and getting inspired out there. In this studio vlog, I'm spending a lot of time in the studio making miniature clay mushrooms, outside of the studio having fun, connecting with people, and doing a mishmash of things that may or may not seem related to my art. You can tell me by the end of this video if you can see how all these experiences come together to help me make my creations. You might have seen my recent video of a miniature clay dog that was requested by a little girl named Elaina. I made a version of my dog Penny, who recently crossed the Rainbow Bridge. In less than 40 minutes after I published my video, I got a message that Elaina already finished making her own tiny Penny and that she misses her. Not too long after, I got to hang out with Elaina and her sister Erika for a clay date. Here are some of the clay pieces they made. Elaina showed the mushrooms she made after seeing some of my videos, so now I'm super motivated to make more. I'm making these in preparation for my fall/holiday shop update in the upcoming weeks. I made the base for several mushrooms, but I think I need to take a small break and return to these after. Today we're having dinner at a Japanese restaurant called IKEA, which sounds like a furniture store, but it's not. Oh no, shiitake mushroom friend, how did you get here? My order, which is the noodonji and the dark fudge chocolate. I just got home and I wanted to quickly show you all the things that I got today. I've designed washi tapes for the first time. So I have two new designs. One is a space bun themed washi tape. And then the other is a mushroom themed washi tape. The character designs on it are very reminiscent of my clay mushrooms. So if you like to use washi tapes either for bullet journaling, scrapbooking, or just for everyday use, like if you're just sending a letter and you don't want to lick the envelope, you can seal it like this. I know some people stick like art prints to their wall with washi tape because washi tape is much gentler than typical tape. Let me know if you think that these would work really well for you, and maybe I can make more in the future. So now that I've gathered inspiration, I'm back in my studio. Do you remember that shiitake mushroom from earlier? I guess it stuck with me because here we're making a new kind of mushroom cap. I decided to pair it with a household plant because we grew our own cherry tomatoes this summer, and plants are on my mind. With green clay, I pre-shaped the individual leaves in a teardrop shape and placed them one by one on the tiny plant pot. I also made more mushrooms holding other autumn themed items, but I'll share those in the next video. I hope you enjoyed seeing various glimpses of my inspiration. Let me know if you're interested in seeing more content outside of the studio, but of course I'll always have in-studio how-tos and clay process videos. Till next time, bye!